In the heart of sunny Florida, tucked between tropical foliage and coastal breeze, lies a Japanese-style tiny home that quietly redefines smart living. At first glance, its clean lines, natural texture, and calming tones reflect traditional Japanese minimalism, but beneath the serene surface lies a world of clever cabinet secrets, ingenious design choice that turn every inch into a masterpiece of function and subtle sophistication. The power of the home is in what's hidden. With a soft press, a wall panel reveals a fully hid pantry disguised as part of the wood grain wall. Pull-out racks slide effortlessly, housing dry goods, tea collection, and hidden appliance. A floating shelf system in the kitchen is not just for show. It conceals magnetic strips, retractable spice containers, and even a slim venting system tucked out of view. The Genkan style entry bench lifts to expose dual layer show storage with an air drying system subtly built into the wood sled, perfect for Florida's humid days. Underneath the staircase to the sleeping loft, every step opens into a uniquely shaped drawer or shelf. One step hides a lockable drawer for valuables, another conceals a retractable ironing board, and yet another unfolds into a tiny home desk. The bathroom cabinets, clad in waterproof cedar, hold more than toiletries. They features hidden slide outs for laundry, cleaning supplies, and tuck away Japanese soaking stool. A fully lined mirror pivot to reveal vertical shelving for personal items, blending grooming and storage into a single elegant gesture. Perhaps the most powerful secret of all. Every cabinet is designed not just to store, but to support a lifestyle of intention. From whisper quiet sliding mechanism to space-saving vertical drawers, the cabinetry helps the homeowner living lighter, think clearer, and move freely in their compact yet deeply functional retreat. This is not just a home, it is a quietly intelligent space where every cabinet has a purpose and every secret adds to the joy of simple, beautiful living.